Alright, let's just see if I can take it out real quick. Okay. There we go. Oh, there we go. I forgot. This is cord. It has a cord. Nice. Alright. There it is. I should unwrap this. Yo, this is actually this is not that bad for $30. Okay, so now I've gotta replace this one. Oh, goodbye, old keyboard. And then now we should put this one. And now we plug it in. All right, now let's see how it looks when it's on. We just gotta give it a second. Oh, yo. Oh, turn off. It's still booting. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Well, not a bad purchase at all.